Hi, my name is Brian Hoyer. I just completed the GeoVital training, and I just wanted to share a little bit about the great experience that I had. The lots of practical experience, lots of hands-on, and I really enjoyed that. The just realizing the importance of this for my practice. I'm a nutritional therapy practitioner, and how foundational addressing the radiation is to my practice. It's this training has just kind of made me have a step up in my game as far as where I'm at with my clients and everything. So I'm really looking forward to implementing everything that I've learned this weekend, and how vital it is to have this as a piece of the puzzle for achieving optimal results with my clients. So thank you, GeoVital. It's an awesome training. If you're considering it, you should definitely do it.